Let's differentiate between these two words. This is pronounced as kuru. Kuru is u. Why this is pronounced as kụrụ. Kụrụ, kụrụ, kụrụ. Kuru, kuru could be to carry, or it could be to get water from somewhere. So we use kuru as a way of carrying baby. Like if I want to say carry that baby, kuru nwa ahụ, carry that child, kuru nwa ahụ, kuru ya, carry that child. If I want to say get water from a place, kuru mmiri ebe ahụ, kuru mmiri ebe ahụ, kuru mmiri ebe ahụ. Why kụrụ means to sow. Kụrụ means to sow. Past tense of is the past tense, is sow in the past tense. Ọ kụrụ mkpụrụ osisi ebe a. He sowed a seed here. He sowed a seed here. Kụrụ is the past tense of kụọ. Kụrụ. Ọ kụrụ mkpụrụ osisi ebe a. He sowed a seed here. If you learned something, please remember to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more. And if you are ready to learn the Igbo language in a more structured format, then join our group class and take advantage of our discount. Check description for details.